Everyone, welcome to Our Snazzy Life. So if you saw last time we went to Oogie Boogie Bash, DCA was all done for Halloween. Well, today is the first day of Halloween at Disneyland. So Katie's meeting me here in about an hour. She's actually on her way, and we'll see what kind of fun we can get into. All right, come along. '70th or anything here. There are pumpkins up on top of the entrance when you come in. Alright, so they replaced all of the 70th stuff with Halloween. So, and if you can see out in the distance, there's Blinky. So yeah, they completely changed the inside. Alright. Blinky is here. Wow, it definitely turned into Halloween since the last time we were here. Alright, so here is what they have in stock. Looks like they have the toy boxes back. The same as before. They did run out. There was a bunch of those trains, so it looks like a lot of them are gone. And they do have the Hocus Pocus pins in. Ooh. And I just noticed they do have the Nightmare Before Christmas ones in. Nice, I may have to get a box of those. So we're going to try diamond for diamond. You have to get so many questions, so we'll see what I can do.
Okay, first question. What Disneyland attraction has 4 entrances and 4 exits?
The train.
Yes, good job. Can you name what Pixar movie has all the vowels except for Y?
Ratatouille?
Yes, good job. And can you tell me what character from the movie Snow White only appears at the very beginning and the very end of the movie?
Oh, lordy.
Hint, it's a male character. Human male character.
The prince that kisses her?
Yeah, the prince. You got 3? 3 or 5.
Oh, nice.
Sorry, these guys upside down.
None I am looking for today. I'll save those for someone else. But thank you so much.
Of course, thank you.
Let's see what's up. Alright, so I was able to get one of the bags. So we're going to go open it up, see if I got Oogie Boogie or not. Keep our fingers crossed. I think that, I think we got him. I think we got him in here. She let me pick, so the chances are I probably didn't get it, but we'll only find out when we open it. Actually, first I'm going to go check out the shadow boxes, just in case Oogie Boogie's in there. This is a Mystery Pack Limited Edition. 9 pins total, 2 randomly selected pins. So I want Oogie Boogie and the pumpkin. Those are the ones I want. So, alright, let's see what we get. And if not, maybe it'll show up in the shadow box, but Oogie Boogie is the one I want the most. Pumpkin would be the second most, so let's see. Let's hope Oogie Boogie. We got... Oh. No, we got barrel. Alright, come on. Oogie Boogie. I could take the pumpkin, but Oogie Boogie. Oh, I think I got the pumpkin. Nice. Got the pumpkin. So that's awesome. I got not the one I wanted the most, but I got one I did want. So I'm gonna probably try and trade for the Oogie Boogie because these are a limited release, so they're expensive. It's like $35 a box. So, do you have any chance? What's up, man?
I do not.
Hey, hey, how's it going?
Hey, Dad.
All right, so we're in Tomorrowland, and there was a whole bunch of people there trading. So got a whole bunch of pins. I'll show you what we got here in a little bit.
It's the bird that tried to kill me.
little bird. You're eating the flower.
Yeah, it's really dark.
It is.
Number 7.
Did you win a trade for that one?
Pizza foot.
Number 3.
Oh, it's cute. Okay, what do you want?
I'll do 23 and 24. Make it easy.
So this one's 24. And that one is 23.
And never get the gold.
That's a tricky one. I know.
All right.
I think we're good. Thank you so much.
Have a nice night.
Thanks. It's not Oogie Boogie, but it's still done up for Halloween. It's still pretty.
All right. I'm hoping I can bring a little luck to the pin set that James tried earlier. So let's give it a go.
You tried to trade. Hardly anyone had Oogie Boogie to trade.
Yeah. And the one that we did find, she only had one, so. All right, first one is,
Come on, Oogie Boogie.
it's a pin. It's not the center. It's not a pumpkin. It is
Awesome! Yay! We got Oogie Boogie.
awesome. I'd like to say it's because I got a good one, but the guy at the counter picked it out.
Maybe it's a double.
Yeah.
Double Oogie Boogie. Oh, and a jack. That's a good trader. Nice. So we just watched the Halloween fireworks. So we couldn't see it all from where we were at, but it was pretty cool. I forgot they had Zero and Jack Skellington and all those on there.
I like the music, so it was a lot of fun. The music, and it had Ursula, Maleficent, Jack. Who else did it have?
I didn't know it had all those people.
Oh.
I saw Jack and Zero, and that was about it.
But it had them projected
And
on
Oogie
there and
Boogie.
music, and so it was a lot of fun.
Yep. All right, well, we're going to meet some more friends of ours that are here, and we're going to hang out with them, and we'll see what else happens. But I don't know if we're going to do a whole lot more. I was excited. I didn't even know that those Nightmare Before Christmas pins had came out yet. So to get Oogie Boogie and the pumpkin in 2 packs, that's
Yeah.
pretty awesome.
That's
So,
awesome.
Yep. We'll do a late night, see what's there. Nothing I am looking for. Alright, well, I just traded with someone and I got a Wave B cupcake. I'll show it to you here in a minute. Once I get somewhere settled, or when I get home, one of the two. Blinky is out. Alright, well, that's about it. We got to hang out with some friends, got some pins. Oh, I got to show you guys the pins. So hang around after we're done with this. I'll show you.
Yeah, this is probably the latest I've been to the parks in a while. I'm tired.
Yeah. So, well, thanks for coming along, and I guess we'll see you next time. Our Snazzy Life.
Bye, guys.
Deuces. All right, so here is what we ended up getting. So we had some awesome friends that we met in the park, and we're in town visiting. They're in Arizona, but they're here all the time, and they traded with these stitches for Katie and this Pete, and then I was able to get some of these from them. This Oogie Boogie, Wreck-It Ralph, Evil Queen, a Cheshire I didn't have, and a Vanellope I didn't have, so that's awesome. I was able to get the other Percy I needed. Got this annual pass holder one. Our friend Christy needed this one, so she's only 2 away, I think. We did buy a pack of these, or 2 packs of these. You guys saw that. So we got these 2 are going to be traders, and then I got a keeper Oogie Boogie and a keeper for my Halloween. We were able to find someone needed a pen I had, and they traded me one of the Wave Bs for it. I found this on the board. It's actually a chaser from Walt Disney World, so that was a good find. And these were all just trades. Other people needed pins, and I traded just to get pins, more traders, the ones I didn't have from them. And so that was everything we got. So pretty good haul today. I wasn't expecting all this, and I usually don't get that many from my collection, so I got a ton. And then I think I told you guys before, we're going to try and sell, I think, a set of our other hidden Disneys, and we found some really good Tiggers that, because most of the time the ears have scratches on them. This one has a little bit, but it's a really good one. If we're going to sell one, I want to find the best one we can. That's like the best one I've seen yet. So we're only like 2 Ds away from having that other set, and then I'll probably post those. So all right, well, that's it. Thanks a lot.